Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your digital life easier. Today, we're diving into how to see header in Gmail 2025. If you've ever needed to dig deeper into an email for security reasons, troubleshooting, or just curiosity, understanding the email header is a game changer. It reveals details like the sender's IP address, the email's path, and more. Don't worry, this process is straightforward, even if you're new to Gmail's features. Let's jump right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Gmail account on a web browser. We'll use the latest Gmail interface as of 2025, which might have some subtle updates for better user experience, but the core steps remain similar. Start by opening the email you want to inspect. Once it's open, look for the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner of the email window. Click on that, and from the drop-down menu, select Show Original. This will open a new tab or window displaying the full raw message, including the header. Now, in this new view, you'll see a bunch of text. Don't get overwhelmed. The header section is at the top and includes lines starting with words like from, to, subject, date, and more technical ones like received or message ID. You can scroll through it to find the info you need. If you want to copy any part, just highlight the text and right-click to copy it to your clipboard. One quick tip. If you're using Gmail on mobile, the process is a bit different. Open the Gmail app, select the email, tap the three dots, and choose View Details or Show Original from the options. This feature is super useful for verifying emails or reporting spam, so use it wisely. There you have it. Viewing the header in Gmail is easier than you might think. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more 2025 tech guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for our next video.